Hey, this is Jamie with the Crafters Workshop, and I'm here to show you some of our newest stencils, Rustic decor sign stencils. Yes, you know those gorgeous signs that you've seen on all the DIY channels. You've watched Joanna and Chip Gaines make those shiplap signs that they use on their statement walls. Now you can make your own. You can do something for your family room, you could do it for your entryway, your kitchen. That coffee bar one is awesome. Don't forget the laundry. I love that it says self-service. I think we need that in my house. Notice how we used a little bit of paint. Sometimes we use the metallic modeling paste. And of course we used our light and fluffy modeling paste for the white ones. Here, I'll give you a little sneak peek. That's the light and fluffy. And then I'll show you on the Let It Snow board. Can you kind of see the texture that we get over here? Look how nice and clean it does when you scrape it through. There's no bleeding, but it does give you a little bit of dimension, as you can see. It's wonderful. Very, very easy. Nice little pop for above your mantle. You can do a little collage of all different sayings.
Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!